Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is Tuesday, April 6th, 2021. Oh, it's so good to be back with you guys. I can't wait to see you all later today. Let's stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance. Stand up nice and straight. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. Show me a good slant. Sit up really nice and straight. Okay, here we go. Today we're going to talk about this virtue right here, self-discipline. Self-discipline, here's what it means. It really means you are the one who's telling yourself to make all the right choices. Okay, so your whole life you've had people telling you what to do, right? When you were a little baby, excuse me. When you were a little baby, your parents were like, don't touch that, it's hot. Or don't walk in the road, hold my hand. They were controlling you because you didn't really have a lot of control of yourself. Like little babies do all kinds of weird stuff. As you got older, you started making more and more choices for yourself. Self-discipline is the act of you making those choices for yourself and you making good choices for yourself, telling yourself what to do, telling yourself how to behave, telling yourself what rules to follow. So this week we're going to talk all about that. I like thinking about it like this sometimes. You can kind of think that your whole body is sort of just this really, really cool advanced robot, right? And my advanced robot, it can do crazy things. I can move my fingers really well. I can actually move my whole body. I can make my robot dance. I can use my robot to pick up tiny things. I can use it to write. And inside that robot is your brain, and your brain is like controlling this whole operation. But also, sometimes things just go like kind of haywire inside you. Maybe you get really mad and you do not feel like making a good choice. And we're going to talk this week about like how can your brain take back control when you got really mad, right? Or maybe you're just feeling kind of like, I don't know, I'm tired, I'm kind of cozy, and it was a really nice spring break, and I'm really rested. I'm ready for like just hanging out with my friends. But your brain needs to take back control because you've got some work to do today, right? You got to get that pencil ready and get all of your work done. If your teacher is telling you, hey, get back to work, there's a big clue that you're not showing self-discipline. So I want you to have a little chat this morning. Think about this. It's work time. And let's say it's seat work time. You're at your desk. Your teacher told you what to do. They gave you your paper. And now it's time to start working. What will you tell yourself to make sure that you keep working today and that you don't need reminders? So have a chat with your class about that. How are you going to talk to yourself and make sure that you're showing self-discipline and that you are telling yourself to keep working and get your work done today? Have a great day, Achieve. Bye.